Afternoon on a train, I only took it because it started to rain. Afternoon in the fall, this weather always makes me think about it all. The woman across me, she's wearing a trench coat, a bouquet of roses, I wonder what they're for. A candlelit dinner, a date in the park, a night at the theater, or love in the dark. I don't know where she's going, I don't even know her name. I don't know if her life has been a breeze or a hurricane. I don't know if he loves her or if loving him is pain. But I do know that our fates have intertwined for a moment on a train. They won't know where I'm going, they won't even know my name. They won't know if my life has been a breeze or a hurricane. They won't know that I sit here writing verses of their pain. But they will know that our fates have intertwined for a moment on a train.
Kasing doon sa may ano, kaya may bayad kasi na. Ito din yung parang toys ko. Parang siyang hinati. Magandang anuhan doon yung what kind of flower is that? Pagkita! Oh, look at this one. Right, diba? Ganda. Look at the view, ate.
Hindi ni halang?
Hindi. Hindi maano
Alat
lang.
lang.
Kasi gusto niyang, since nandito siya sa Japan, gusto niyang tumingin na, and where is the hashi na? Asa na yung, chopstick ate?
Soy
I-mix.
sauce.
Oh. Kakain na si ate ng sashimi in the car. Tapos i-mix mo siya ng i-mix. Kasi maanghang yan siya. Maanghang yan ha. Then, tapos isawsaw mo.
Pakita natin sa camera.
Ay,
Yan. Oh.
okay. It's a toro-toro sashimi. And then, lagyan mo ng maraming toyo. Pero maanghang yan ha.
Bigla maanghang pala.
Do?
Sarap.
Crazy.
Wala para mo ako.
Hingi lang ako isa. Isa lang ate.
Kung kailan titay ko ka marami
Hindi,
taste kang.
Hindi, isa lang ate. Para,
Para siyang natutunaw lang sa bibig.
di ba?
Ang sarap, ang tamis.
Man ang shiso. Lagyan mo ng tuyo ate.
Kaya ba? Ang tinong ng tulo.
Ay, ate. Mag-a-add din naman ng taste. Depende kasi sa tao yung kung gusto ng yung shiso ang tawag doon sa leaf na yun.
Manghang na siya.
Kasi wala ka ng toyo, ano na lang.
Kuhaan ka pa tita. Kuhaan na yan.
Isa na lang.
Punta kami ng Moss Burger. Dito na yung favorite ni tita na burgeran. Wow! Tomato sauce. Wow! Laki din yan. Wine daw dito? Yes. Sarap yung burger. Busog naman eh. Nako. Ito na sa piyaki. Ito naman dito. Wala siyang sabaw. Tabang tubig. Dahil mga pangkuha. Ito na akin. Parang buto.